Hey, have you ever installed an app and suddenly your phone starts acting weird? Brightness changing on its own, ringtone resetting, or even system features tweaking themselves without your permission? You're not alone. Some apps secretly gain access to change your system settings without even asking. But in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to stop apps from changing your settings on Samsung devices, so you stay in full control of your phone. No more silent updates or sneaky changes. And make sure you stay till the end, because I'll share a hidden setting that can strengthen your phone's privacy even more. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your Settings app on your Samsung phone. Now, scroll down and tap on Apps. This is where all your installed applications live. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the 3 vertical dots. From the drop-down, select Special Access. This menu gives certain apps extra control over your phone. But here's where we take that control back. Scroll down and tap on Change System Settings. Here's the important part. This list shows you every app that currently has permission to change system settings on your phone. Now go through the list carefully. Let's say you see Google or Files here, and you don't want them messing with your settings. Simply tap on the app's name, and you'll see a toggle. Switch it off to deny that app permission to make system-level changes. You can do this for any app you don't trust or don't want interfering with your phone's behavior. This method gives you total control. No app will be able to adjust your ringtones, network settings, or display preferences without your go-ahead. And now here's that important tip I promised. Every time you install a new app, go back to this Change System Settings section and check if that app has silently enabled itself. Many third-party apps do this to override your preferences or push ads, and this is how you stop them in their tracks. So what do you think? Did you find any apps on your phone that had permission you didn't know about? Let me know in the comments which one surprised you the most. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more practical guides like this one. Stay in control, stay secure, and I'll catch you in the next video.